In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first workspace in Monday.com. We're starting from the Monday.com homepage. Before creating anything, it helps to understand what a workspace actually is. A workspace is like a main container that helps you organize related boards, projects, and team activity in one place. Think of it as a department, client area, or project hub where everything connected to a specific workflow can live together. On the left sidebar, find the Workspace section, click the three-dot menu beside it, and choose Add New Workspace. This opens the setup window where you can create a fresh space for your work. Next, rename your workspace. Choose a name that clearly reflects what this area will be used for, so it stays easy to recognize later as your account grows. You'll then be asked to choose the workspace privacy. For this example, select Open. An open workspace is visible to everyone on your account, which makes collaboration easier. The other option is Private, which limits visibility and access to only invited members. Open is a good choice when you want teammates to find and join the workspace more easily. After that, click Add Workspace. Monday.com will begin creating the workspace and guide you into a basic setup experience. When prompted, click Continue. In this example, Monday.com automatically customizes the workspace with sections such as Contacts, Deals, Leads, Accounts, and Activities. Contacts are the people or organizations you interact with. Deals help track potential sales opportunities. Leads are new prospects that may become future customers. Accounts usually represent companies or clients you're working with. Activities help you keep track of actions, updates, and follow-ups. These built-in features give you a ready-made structure, especially useful for sales or client management workflows. Next, click Save. If you see an option to invite teammates, you can skip that for now and do it later once your workspace is ready. Now let's add a board. Click the plus icon beside your workspace, then choose New Board. A board is where day-to-day work happens. It's the main place to track tasks, records, or progress using rows and columns. Click Create Board. Then rename the new board to Leads Tracker for this example. Once inside the board, you can add columns such as name, phone, email, or status. A column defines the type of information stored for each item, helping you structure your data clearly. Just click the plus icon to add a new column. Next, add a new group and name it To Do. A group is a section within a board that organizes items into categories, stages, or workflow areas. Finally, add a task inside the To Do group section. From here, you can invite team members to your workspace and continue customizing it with dashboards, automations, and integrations. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.